being a Christian will not give you a free pass na maranasan ng mga essential human experience. But when you are in trouble, when you are in pain, when you are in danger, when you are dying, when you are frustrated, depressed, anxious, or worried, always remind yourself that the God that we serve is not just a God who cares. He is also a God who can. He can. I love it. I feel the Spirit of God right there. May malasakit ang Diyos sa atin. Yes, may malasakit siya. Pero maraming taong may malasakit din, pero wala silang magagawa sa problema mo. May mga taong salamat nandyan sila, pero magpapasalamat ka din dun sa mga taong kaya talagang tumulong. And your God is not just a God who cares. He is a God who can.